Okay, let's dive in. We've got some material here about something called Hub4Machines.
Right, and specifically it's podcast too, HubTalks. It seems like they're launching together almost.
Yeah, exactly. So our job here really is to quickly get a handle on what this is all about.
Yeah.
What's the core idea behind the platform and, this HubTalks thing?
Get you up to speed fast.
Mm-hmm. Especially in this industrial machine space, new marketplaces pop up, so worth knowing.
Well, the first thing that jumps out really is how they frame HubTalks.
Okay.
They call it the platform's AI-powered voice, and they use this specific tagline, industrial talk, AI delivered.
AI delivered. That's interesting. So HubTalks is positioned as the main way to understand what Hub4Machines is doing.
Seems like it. The platform itself, hub4machines.com, is described as a global marketplace, B2B and B2C.
Oh, both.
Yeah, specifically for industrial machinery. The sources say it's aiming to, properly change how businesses buy and sell this stuff.
So a big overhaul, potentially.
And it's pitched as a single place for it all. Verified sellers, reliable equipment, parts, spares too.
Not just the big machines, then.
No, and it covers new and used equipment. So trying to reach everyone from, big manufacturers down to smaller businesses,
Yeah.
maybe needing just one specific thing.
Right. Simplifying that whole search, maybe?
Hmm.
Instead of looking in lots of different places for new versus used or different seller types.
That seems to be the idea, and they're definitely pushing the scale aspect, global reach.
What are they talking about?
The material mentions connecting sellers and buyers from India through Europe, the Middle East, and beyond, they say.
Ambitious network.
It is. And another angle they highlight is tackling the money side.
How so?
Integrated financing through partner banks and NBFCs, apparently.
Ah, okay. That makes sense for heavy industrial gear. Funding can be a real hurdle, right?
Definitely. So building financing options right into the platform, well, the sources present that as a big plus, a way to make the buying process smoother.
So, marketplace connecting globally, built-in financing. What about the people behind it? Does it say much?
It does, yeah. Describes the team as seasoned professionals. Emphasizes over 22 years of experience.
In relevant fields, I assume.
Oh, yeah. Industrial automation, project execution, global trade, stuff that suggests they actually, understand the industry they're entering.
There's some institutional backing, too, wasn't there?
Right. The company behind it is Incubated at Savitribai Phule Pune University.
Okay.
And the source makes a point of calling the university a leading innovation hub. Kind of frames that academic link as important for scaling up, keeping pace with tech.
Makes sense. So connecting back to HubTalks, this AI-delivered voice, do we know what it's actually going to talk about?
We do, yeah. They give a sneak peek at future topics.
Oh, like what?
Well, some practical stuff, like how to use the platform itself, benefits for sellers, for customers, pretty standard.
Sure.
But also looking broader, things like exploring new machines, smart maintenance tools, machine lifecycle intelligence is mentioned.
Machine lifecycle intelligence. Okay, that sounds quite forward-looking.
And predictive diagnostics. They promise to cover these things efficiently, too. In a few powerful minutes per episode, is the quote.
Right. That choice of topics.
Yeah.
It suggests HubTalks isn't just a how-to for the platform.
No, it sounds like they want it to be a resource for broader industry trends, technology shifts.
Especially things like AI, data analytics, impacting how equipment is managed. That machine lifecycle intelligence bit points strongly towards data, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Looking at the whole operational life of a machine using data adds another layer to what they're offering. Not just buy, sell, but also stay informed.
Okay, so let's try and wrap this up then. From the sources we looked at for this deep dive, Hub4Machines is positioned as this global industrial marketplace.
Right. New and used gear, parts, spares, integrated financing, backed by an experienced team in university incubation.
And HubTalks is its voice, AI delivered, promising short, sharp insights, both on using the platform.
And on future tech trends like smart maintenance, predictive diagnostics, and that machine lifecycle intelligence concept.
Got it. And the sources wrap up by basically telling you, the listener, to stay tuned.
Yep. Subscribe, follow them on LinkedIn, YouTube, Spotify, the usual channels for more info.
Which leaves us with a final thought, drawing from all this. How might combining an AI-delivered info source like HubTalks with a focus on ideas like machine lifecycle intelligence, how might that actually change the way businesses think about and manage their essential industrial equipment down the line? Something to mull over.